Good morning everyone, and a very, very warm welcome, quite literally, to the island of Mallorca, where I've been spending the last week with my very good friend Catherine, just exploring the island, traveling around and having a jolly good time. We had some really, really great days. It was absolutely amazing, but as you can tell by the title of this video, not everything went quite to plan. Which means that I have crashed my drone. And I haven't just crashed it, but I have crashed it in a way and in a place where it was not recoverable. Which is very sad, which is honestly very sad. I was just crying for an hour after it happened. It was a very, very sad moment on this trip. And not only did I crash it and couldn't recover it, so I don't have a drone anymore, but right before I went off to fly the drone on this occasion, the SD card was full, so I had to swap it, which means I still have all the drone footage of the holiday, so that's a plus. But because I didn't have another one in the same size, I put the SD card from the camera into the drone, which means that all my footage from this holiday is also gone. So just that as a little explanation before the video. Obviously this is not quite the video I had planned for you, but because all my footage is gone, I can't really do anything else. So instead, because I have lovely, lovely drone footage, you're getting an amazing video of Mallorcan drone footage. I hope you enjoy, and let's all hope I get a new drone at some point, because I really miss it.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river, get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will fight. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. I will fight. So come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.
Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody. Everybody, grab somebody.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Vamos 1, 2, 3 sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, y todos esos placeres, como acariciarte, conocerte de raíz. recuperé la fe cuando a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny. Tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timites me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es, combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tus besos y tu nivel, yeah. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida, que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte con